In today's video, I'm going to teach you about rational numbers. So if we have a problem like this one that says, is 9 over 2 a rational number? So the first step is to understand the meaning of rational number. And the meaning is, a rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction of two integers. So integers is underlined, okay? It's very important. So we have integer over integer. So in the numerator, an integer can be any number between negative to positive, right? Going from negative to positive. So any number, -3, -2, etc., including 0, and then you can keep going positive, 1, 2, 3. So any positive or negative number including 0. And in the denominator, it's the same. However, you cannot have 0 in the denominator. So you can't have 0 in the denominator. This gives an undefined number. So for a rational number, the numerator could be any number, any integer, negative or positive, including 0. And in the denominator, any rational number can be any negative number or positive number, but it can't be 0. Okay, so that's it. That's the summary. So from this definition, we can definitely see that 9 over 2 is a rational number. It fits the description of integer over integer. And I just want to teach you a couple more things about rational numbers. One final note, when the fraction version of the rational number is written as a decimal, it either terminates or repeats. So for 9 over 2, this is 4.5 as a decimal. So it terminates. It doesn't go on forever. So an example of a fraction that goes on forever is 1/3. So when you write this as a decimal, it's 0.33333, and you write it as 0.3 with a line on top, and that means it repeats forever. So the line above the 3 means it repeats. That's what it means, okay? So basically, 0.3 is the same as 0.333 ... goes on forever, okay? So however, 1 over 3 is still a rational number because even though it repeats like this forever, because it's an integer on top of an integer. And that's the meaning of rational number. And that's the end of this lesson. And don't worry if you didn't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look in the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. So make sure to check those out. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this exact video, and you can watch as you follow along in the ebook. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.